welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you an update on the backyard course. We haven't done one in a while. Did some work on it yesterday and added some stuff to it. So I'll show you what the changes are, and then I'll do a little test with the Gen 8 because I haven't drove on the new changes yet and see how it does. So thanks guys, appreciate it. Stick around to see some driving. Alright guys, so here's a little bit of an update on the backyard course. I've added some more concrete here, really fixing some damage from my dogs on both sides here. Added some to it, which at first I was upset with the dogs. Now not so much because it's not as smooth as it was, so you know, maybe gives it a little bit more difficulty, not that it's extremely hard. Here's the big change for the whole course is over here. I have added more concrete. This was the return lane, so to speak, if you want to call it that, the coming back part of the course. And so I've actually used some hay that I had left over from a party and put under there to be a filler for a lot of it, and have concreted over top of it, adding some rocks in there. Have not even driven on it yet. We're going to do that here in a few. Added a few pieces here and there on this right here, and the rest of the course actually has not changed. It is still the same. Nothing's changed there. So this is really our big change is that right there. So I'm gonna do a video. We're gonna crawl on it with the Gen 8 and see how it is. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, so there you have it. Seen the new changes to the course, new concrete has been added. Did a little testing with the Gen 8 on it. It's not too bad. I might add some more rocks on top of it. You know, it's not 100% where I want it, but it's better than what I had or didn't have in that area. Gen 8's doing good, so Look forward to working on it some more. And guys, I appreciate the support on the channel. And please, if you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.